Master Orator competition is just a platform through which everyone can prove themselves and can just know their capacity and to know their skills through which they can participate in every competition. My experience with the Master Orator is I just felt very happy and I am glad to participate in this competition. Through this competition, really I have known my capacity and I have known how much effort I can just put on my subject or any of the topics. I have learned really new things through which the topics I have referred, and all from my co-students who have been participated in this Master Orator, I have really known many of the things from them and also my positives and negatives through which I can develop my communication skills and also leadership skills. Not only this, communication, leadership, every of the skills have helped me to participate, and to each of my mentor have just helped me to reach level 1, level 2, and I hope I'll be participating and reaching the final level. Through this competition, it is very helpful in my future, I hope so, because some of the skills like communication or leadership skills will be helpful in my future, as I was dreamt of becoming the IAS. To give any speech or any of that, I just want to know some of the skills through which I can just motivate myself. So like these types of skills, and through these competitions, really I am glad so that I can just know my mistakes through which I can just cope up, and also I can improve my skills through like leadership and other skills. Through leadership, I can just motivate my team members to participate, and the experience with a Master Orator competition is really fantastic, and I really liked it a lot, and I have just motivated myself, and I have learned many of the new things through my aspects through which I have learned, and really I am glad to participate. I hope that I will be achieving my success, and my MOC Master Orator competition will be one of the part of my life through which I can achieve the success in my life. Thank you.